Hello, welcome to Photoshop CS6. Today we're going to talk about text tool, character styles, and paragraph styles. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, we want to put some text on this document. You will go over to your tools panel, come down to your T tool, make sure it's selected, and then all you have to do is click anywhere on the document, and you would notice that Photoshop by default would add that particular layer for you, and the layer will be called layer 1 after you type the text. So we'll type the word welcome, and notice now you can highlight it, and up here this is called your options panel, which is related to the tool that you have selected. So let's say if we wanted to change the font, you have a whole list. You can select a font, and then you can also highlight it, and you can hit your down arrow and your up arrow to scroll through and find the one that you want. Okay, I'm going to go back to the Arial. You can change the font style. You can change the font size. So let's say I make it 100 just so we can see it. And there's other options as well. Let's say you have a paragraph of text. You can left align, center, or right align, and as well as change the color. So let's just go ahead and change this color to black. And as you notice, as you change it, it automatically changes as well. And notice too, you have an eyedropper. Let's say that I want it to be the same color as the top of his head. All you have to do is use the eyedropper tool, and it'll select that color for you. So okay, I like that color, so we'll click OK. Now make sure you always get out of the tool once you're through using it. That way you don't make other mistakes. So let's go ahead and select our default tool, which is your move tool, or you can hit the letter V, which will take you back to the move tool. Okay, right now I realize that I don't want to underline, so I'm going to go back to my text tool. I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to open up the toggle character panel, which is up here in your options panel. And you notice here as I roll over it, it gives you a tooltip. But if you don't see it up here, you can go up to window and you can select character, and it will open up that same panel for you. I want to remove the underline, so I'm just going to click it to remove it, and then I'm going to collapse this and then go back to my move tool. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Let's say that you wanted to set a character where you want a certain font, a certain size, a certain color. You can create a character style, and then you can reuse that over and over again. Okay, now let's do that. So I go to window and I go to character styles. It opens up for me. There's more than one way you can create a new character style. I can roll over to the second icon before the trash can, or I can hit my character styles panel menu, and all panel menus are located to the right of every panel with the down arrow and the 4 lines. I click that and I can choose it here. So as you will learn with all of the other Adobe products, there's more than one way to do something. You just have to decide which way works best for you. So I can go ahead and click here, new character style. And at some point, okay, and it put it here, the character style 1. Double click, open it up. Let's give it a name. Let's say I'm going to create a character blue, and we'll just use it character blue, and we'll change the font to this one. It doesn't matter, I'm just trying to show you how this works. And here you can change the characters as well, and here's where you change the color. So let's say I want it blue, click OK. Now it's character blue, and you can put more information in there, so that way when you go back and select it, you don't have to wonder which one, and you see you have other options as well. And I hit OK. Now there it is. It's called character blue. And the same thing if I want to create paragraph styles, it's right next door. I just click on paragraph styles, or if you don't see it, you can go to window and you can select paragraph styles as well. And paragraph styles works the same way. You can click the options down here with the icon, or you can go to the paragraph style menu and you can create new paragraph style. Okay, thanks. Have fun.